right, we're in this student apartment building in Iowa City, and we got Gen2s. We got a bank of 4. That's quite a lot. Also, I've never seen something like this before. All right, also, I'm just trying to talk over the music. Oh, that screw's loose. We get one of the smaller ones. That is quite a loud voice. Yeah, bank of 4 Gen2s. I don't think I've seen that. Maybe I have. Yeah, I think I have, probably. Just not off the top of my head I can remember. All right. I also don't think I've seen a Gen2 with 3, someone drew in the 1. All right, up to 14. It's call recognition.
Fourteenth floor. Going down.
Wow, now that's one nice view, huh? Look at that. There's another hotel. I think I'm gonna check that place out on my way out of here. See what the residence floors look like. Honestly, pretty plain. We get the car next to it. We were in car 9. There's actually quite a lot of elevators here. What are those? 6 and 7. Where are the other 5 elevators? Right down at P2.
P2.
All right. Anyway, that will be it.